Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kanot Goa Zilla Panchayat hapo kajingilam usidesh Shri Patnaik but Ajay Gos Chief Executive Officer North Goa Zilla Panchayat but kidikwat kibalapoi palat pomut kilalet Ïakynduh yu Chief Executive Member ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba penyat sing sim hakajinga dan lang kidikwat ka Executive Committee kabala long mentakasi ka khatway tarik unai tung arajar arpulai hagani kajingwan kidikwat ka Goa Zilla Panchayat lapan long kajingelang ka balingkot ha conference hall ka KHADC ban Sngewthuh yu Rukom Synshar ka khadar ha pedang kita ki arteli ki kenhun
ka sni ni sokmen ban Ïakynduh ya kawe ka kenhun ka bawan ban tip punya syapang ka riki ka dustur khasi jungi hamtam balawan ban Ïakynduh ini hang ni po office jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council minta sni te ni dan lang nakaliang ka executive committee nadu i deputy CM EM i chairman ni dan lang ban pediang subhai kini ki kenhun kani ka kenhun kade ka bawan na po Goa kade bawan na ka North District tiong ka Zilla Panchayat Council hapo ka jingilam jong chairman hapo ka jingwan lang jong CEO Chief Executive Officer but kini ki member te kiwan ban Ïakynduh ingi ban ki pentip kerki menen hi bak lapoi sini sipo shalom kikwa ban tip kam punya habide ka Rukom penyat kam gajungi hapo council but habide keriti dustur ki kita ki bor neni kita ki powers and function kiba ka district council gajungi ka pej ka lumthup dan ka kudup ka pej nam ta Synshar khadar ka pej nam ta ka it ka Hima ka pej nam ta kiba bun ha ki benta ka ba haka haka ni ka kam jong ka THDC te nakaliang jungki ki penpau ya ka jingkemen hadien bangi la yo ban ya kendu bat ni yo ka interaction discussion ko balong sultanat ba seso niru ngitip khamha syapang ka Synshar khadar hangti lingba kini ki Zilla Panchayat Council but kiru kitip khamha syapang jungi ka Khasi Hills Autonomous Council yo kum ka council hapo ka knit ba real jong ka constitution jong ka India ke kani ka jing kendu bun ki bangi la ya kren se ki compare se ki bangi ni don hang ni but ka baki ki don hang ke but nakaliang juki ki penpau jing kemen ba ki yo kendu ni ban tip khamha ban tip kham jeliu shushu habide kariti ka dustur ke jungi hang ni po dikasi
CM, Deputy CM, Chairman and other members. Very senior members were there. Very good experience talking to them. The way they handle the councils and the hills is very excellent. The mode of governance, the way they govern the hills is very interesting. And I feel some points which we discussed, we can definitely suggest our government to implement it in our state. We have different setup in Goa. Last 2 days we are in we have gone around. There is lot to learn. We learn from each other. We could see lots of things in terms of tourism. In areas we went to city areas, we saw how the population or the people are living around, how they maintain. Those things we are taking back. We learned a lot also from the discussions. We have our own Panchayat Act under which we Zilla Panchayats and Gram Panchayats are governed. Yes, Meghalaya has its own constitution and it has own understanding of implementation of that constitutional provisions. Although we have very different, but yes, we are taking some learnings as such. See how 85% is a tribal population, 60 there are some tribal areas. So there are in Goa also there are take out a study tour to any of the states in India with all our Zilla Panchayat members, and our intention is to study the local governance model in that state or in that district. So with that motive, we go to other states with our members and we visit all the autonomous institutions, Zilla Panchayats, Zilla village Panchayats, all these elected bodies, and we try to understand the mode of working, mode of governance which they follow, and with this with this discussion, with all the thought exchange, we feel I feel that we are able to improve our governance with taking new ideas from other states, and we can tell our government, we can suggest our government what improvements we can do to develop our district and our constituencies. So this study visits help us to do that. So that is our intention.